In this video, we're going to talk about Fisker, trading under the symbol FSR. Fisker is an EV startup founded by Henrik Fisker, someone well known within the sector who worked at both Tesla and BMW. One thing that, in my opinion, sets Fisker apart from its competitors is the fact that this is the second time the founder tries to have his own EV manufacturer going. The first time that this ever happened, the company was called Karma Auto, and it eventually failed and was sold to a Chinese conglomerate. This company still exists to this day, by the way, and also aims at the high-end luxury segment. This time, Fisker has made sure that it will have its base covered regarding manufacturing capacity with Apple supplier Foxconn. Apple, meanwhile, is rumored to be working with Lucid Motors, a rival EV manufacturer. The current reality of Fisker is that its valuation is based on future performance, and even more so than many other EV startups. Its vehicle, Fisker Ocean, is supposed to arrive around 2022, almost 2 years from now, assuming there's no delay in the production. It's really difficult to say what's going to happen with the company, even the sector, that far in the future. But from experience, I would say that the current expectation and future stock price are negatively correlated. Some examples of this include Tesla and NIO back in 2019. Back then, there were doubts whether those two companies would be able to survive. Obviously, what happened afterwards proved the expectations wrong. I would say that the current view on Fisker is rather negative overall, because Fisker has a relatively long period ahead of it during which the stock has to be carried on dreams, while the stock remains under sell-off pressure. But Fisker currently has one massive appeal: its price. The stock price is near $10 and is right above a massive support line that was set by the October 2020 dip. If there is a bottom to the stock, I believe the current price point can be one of the potential rebound levels. It doesn't mean that the stock will only rise from this point onwards, but ultimately this is a probabilities game, and from a certain point, the demand will take over the supply. Now, regarding where the bottom is, your guess is as good as mine. But at $10, I do believe that the timing is ripe to enter in the company if you believe in the long-term potentials of Fisker. At this point, it's also really important to be disciplined in your buying habits. First of all, it's critical to remain level-headed and be careful not to go all in one shot. The other thing is to get ready for a scenario in which the stock price will keep falling. And you have to structure the trade in a way so that the loss can be maximized without hurting you. Also, if the stock actually bounces from this current support level of $10, I would recommend to lock in the profits when it reaches between 30 to 50%, depending on your risk appetite. Afterwards, if you still believe in the Fisker's long-term future, you can go risk-free by only putting in the equivalent of the trade's profits. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.